In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an IP address on your Cloudflare account. This is a handy skill that allows you to manage who gets access to your website and can significantly enhance your security setup. So let's dive right in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate over to Cloudflare. To do this, simply open your browser and enter the Cloudflare URL, which should take you straight to the Cloudflare homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Cloudflare dashboard. Here, all your domains are listed, making it easy to switch to the one you're managing today. Next, from the dashboard, locate the specific domain you want to work with. Once you've found it, click on it to open up the settings for that domain. Now we're going to be focusing on security features. Over on the left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Security. Click on that to access the available security settings for your domain. Once inside the security settings, you'll see a sub-menu option called WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall. The Web Application Firewall is a powerful tool that helps protect your application by monitoring and filtering HTTP traffic. Click on WAF, and within this section, there's a button to Create Rule. This is where the magic happens for whitelisting an IP. Go ahead and click on Create Rule. A new window will pop up prompting you to set the parameters for this rule. Begin by naming your new rule. Let's call it something straightforward like whitelist IP address. Naming it clearly will help you identify it quickly in the future if you need to review or modify any configurations. After naming your rule, the next step is to change the field setting to IP source addresses. This tells Cloudflare that the rule you're creating is specifically related to IP addresses trying to access your domain. With this set, change the operator to equals. This is key because it implies that the rule you're creating will trigger only for the exact IP address you specify. Now you might notice the option to choose an action, but for the purpose of whitelisting, you can skip this part. All you need to do after entering the IP address is to hit Deploy. And there you have it. You've successfully whitelisted an IP address in Cloudflare. By setting this up, you're safeguarding your site efficiently, ensuring that only the specified IP addresses have access. This can be especially useful in scenarios where you want to grant exclusive access to trusted visitors or partners. If you follow these steps and make use of the Web Application Firewall correctly, you'll be adding an essential layer of security to your web presence. Thanks for joining in today, and remember to check out our other videos for more tips on enhancing your online security and site management.